Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the devices discoverable. Make sure both phone and Redmi TV share the same Wi-Fi network, then enable cast or wireless display on your phone. Grant any permission prompts. On the TV, open Settings, go to More Settings and enable wireless display so it becomes visible to the phone. Once done, keep the TV screen showing the waiting for connection page because the phone will search and pair. This is the first actionable step to actually initiate mirroring. You now locate the cast option on your phone, often under Connected Devices or the Quick Settings tile, and tap Cast. Look for your Redmi TV name and select it. If a PIN or pairing prompt appears on the TV, accept it immediately. Once connected, you should see your phone screen mirrored. Make sure orientation lock is off so rotation works, and use phone volume to control TV audio. If media stutters, pause and resume to stabilize the stream. You finish by optimizing performance and knowing a key fix if it fails. If video lags, reduce other network traffic or switch both devices to the 5 GHz band for lower latency. If the phone cannot find the TV, restart the phone, TV, and router, then try casting again. This often resolves discovery issues. As a reliable fallback, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter to mirror directly. Wired connection avoids
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.